Creating a digital product from scratch is an exhausting process. You're looking at around 150 hours of writing, designing, and formatting, plus thousands of dollars in copywriting fees, just to get your sales pages ready. But there is a way to bypass that entire grind. Today, we're going to look at how to launch a complete, ready-to-sell business in the $20 billion self-help niche by moving straight to the deployment of the premium Your Second Chance private label rights package. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a functional lead magnet to capture emails, a high-converting sales funnel to process payments, and an automated follow-up sequence ready to run. Before we begin, you need 3 things in place: active web hosting, an email autoresponder account, and the downloaded 10-module PLR package on your desktop. When you use premium PLR, preparation replaces product creation. You skip the blank page entirely and focus all your energy on getting your systems live. Step 1 is claiming ownership. We are going to transform the generic 10,000-word ebook from Module 1 and the graphics pack from Module 9 into your personalized brand asset. Open the provided document files and locate the author placeholders. Delete the default text and type in your own name or your company's brand identity. This gives you immediate ownership over high-end psychology content. You are putting your name on native written chapters covering the brain science of reinvention, complete with professional chapter graphics. Do not skip this step. Leaving placeholder names in your final product destroys trust with your readers, which is fatal in the self-help niche. This simple text replacement transforms the document into a proprietary asset, allowing you to launch high-level material on transition psychology without having to write a single word from scratch. Step 2 is building your front door. This is how we capture potential buyers using the provided landing page from Module 7 and the lead magnet from Module 6. Take the pre-built HTML files for the landing page and upload them directly to your web server so your opt-in page is live on the internet. Next, connect your email autoresponder to that opt-in form. This ensures the automatic delivery of your 4,000-word exclusive special report the moment someone subscribes. When setting up this form, only ask for their email address. Asking for phone numbers or last names creates friction and severely damages your conversion rates. Now, run a live test. Enter your own email address into the published form and verify that the free report actually arrives in your inbox. Establishing a frictionless entry point is the mandatory first step to building a profitable, long-term audience list. With the front door working, step 3 is deploying your core revenue-generating mechanism, the automated sales funnel. We are utilizing specific pre-built assets to make these sales. This includes the high-converting sales page, the professional video sales letter, and the thank you page, which do all the heavy lifting for you. Take the video sales letter from Module 5 and embed the video player directly onto your Module 4 sales page. Then, link a functional payment button from a processor like Stripe or Warrior Plus directly beneath that video. Validate this setup by opening your page in preview mode and clicking your own Buy Now button. Make sure it routes you correctly to the checkout screen and then straight to the thank you page. Deploying these pre-made conversion assets effectively replaces the thousands of dollars you would otherwise spend hiring a professional copywriter. Step 4 is configuring the back-end email sequence. This is your tireless engine for converting those free leads from your front door into paying customers. Open the follow-up email swipes provided in Module 8. Copy and paste that text into a 5-day automated drip campaign inside your autoresponder platform. Your link strategy here is precise. Day 1 must deliver the free report. Days 2 through 5 must consistently link back to the core sales page you just built. Watch out for the broken funnel trap. You must update the placeholder URLs in those email swipes with your actual live sales page link, or you will lose every sale. Once activated, this automated follow-up sequence acts as a 24/7 digital sales representative, driving conversions while you sleep. The deployment phase is now completely finished, and your digital business is officially live. You now possess a fully branded asset, a lead capture system, a conversion-focused video sales letter, and a back-end email machine, all built without designing a single original asset yourself. With the infrastructure in place, your single remaining job is driving traffic to that funnel. You can do this through social media, paid ads, or organic YouTube content focused on the topic of reinvention. To get started, click the link below to secure the Your Second Chance PLR package and its fast action bonuses before the launch period ends and the price increases. Leveraging a premium PLR package like this shifts your focus away from the constraints of content production and moves you into the role of a business owner.